What if I told you everything you know about cholesterol is wrong? For decades, doctors said to avoid egg yolks, butter, red meat, but that was a big fat lie. Today I am exposing how you have been misled about cholesterol. And stick around until the very end for one shocking truth that might completely blow your mind. Let's get straight into it, ladies and gentlemen. Cholesterol, it is vital for life. Your liver produces it. Cholesterol is not poison. It's essential for your body. You need it to make vitamin D, hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and bile acids for digestion. I am not here to tell you blood lipids have nothing to do with heart disease. This could also not be further from the truth. But vilifying cholesterol as an enemy, it's wrong. Every cell in your body needs cholesterol. In fact, about 25% of your body's total cholesterol is in your brain. That's how important it is. Here's something your doctor might not tell you. Most of your cholesterol doesn't actually come from your food. Roughly 85% of it is made by your liver. And if you eat more cholesterol, your liver makes less, right? There is still some remaining impact of dietary cholesterol on your total cholesterol for most people, but balancing it out, just understanding 85% is coming from the liver already tells you diet is such a small factor for your cholesterol levels in your blood if you make a blood test. In fact, there was one guy who ate 720 eggs in 1 month. He checked his cholesterol before and after, and it didn't change at all. He had high cholesterol to begin with, right? But he ate then just 720 eggs and it didn't change at all, whereas before he had a high cholesterol diet, but not a very high one, right? It just shows there is some kind of curve, right? So eating high cholesterol foods like eggs usually doesn't skyrocket your blood levels at all, proven by the science. Even the US dietary guidelines dropped their cholesterol limits in 2015. They had limits and they just admitted dietary cholesterol isn't the enemy for most people. Interesting, right? Because in the 70s, they started vilifying it. At least they took a few steps back. So let's expose the cholesterol myth. Why are we taught to fear cholesterol? Because it's found in clogged arteries, for example. Many assumed eat cholesterol, clog arteries, because if someone had a heart attack, they went into the artery afterwards, they checked, okay, there was cholesterol, right? But that was a leap of logic. It's like blaming firefighters for fires. They show up to help and then you say, okay, the firefighters were causing the fire. No, they showed up to actually extinguish the fire. So cholesterol often rushes in to repair inflamed and damaged arteries. If there is a stiff, damaged artery, cholesterol is coming to repair it. Our body is so wholesome. It's so beautiful to understand. But then it gets blamed for the wreckage. But the wreckage in the first place had a different cause. Correlation is not always causation. Meanwhile, the real culprits like chronic inflammation from excessive sugar intake, smoking, autoimmune diseases, which might get caused by root canals, antibiotics, and these kind of things, did the damage in the first place. And that is the root cause which was overseen. Do you need proof? Well, about 50% of heart attack victims, and now we're talking about correlation, let's beat them with their own weapons, have normal cholesterol levels. 50% of heart attacks have levels of cholesterol completely in the normal or even low range. So clearly, cholesterol can't be the sole cause of heart disease. Let's look what science actually shows. In a 2022 randomized controlled trial, people eating 12 eggs per week had no increase in cholesterol compared to those eating almost no eggs, with all other factors staying the same. And in a huge clinical trial, cutting saturated animal fat lowered people's blood cholesterol, yet it did not reduce heart attacks or deaths at all. That's a randomized controlled trial. In fact, for every major drop in cholesterol, the risk of death, and now guys, I want you to sit down for this piece of information, it went up. A 22% increase per 30-point drop in cholesterol, meaning if your LDL is 120, if it drops down to 90, your risk of death from heart disease goes up by 20%. Talk about a myth busted again, right? The real truth is, and this is the kicker, cholesterol was never the ultimate villain. It might actually be your body's unsung hero. Your body sends cholesterol to patch up damaged arteries, to heal you. Right? Again, I'm not telling you blood lipids are completely relevant for identifying the cause of arterial plaque. But listen to what I said before. Just like firefighters dousing a fire. So instead of fearing egg yolks or steak, focus on what causes the damage. Reduce inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, rather than cholesterol itself. You've been lied to about dietary cholesterol, ladies and gentlemen. But now you know the truth. I want you to share this with your friends. Enjoy those pasture-raised eggs and grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised steaks, wild-caught fish. All of these things, enjoy it. Can enjoy it in moderation, but without fear. Eat with a good feeling. Your heart and your body will thank you. Smash up the like right here and watch. We end the topic, this video about grass-fed meat. This will piss you off. And as always, guys, bye.